I've done every diet known to man, just so you guys know.
What do you think about eating just fruits and vegetables for 1 week to restart the hormonal system, especially insulin? To reset insulin, you need to take out a lot of the refined carbohydrates and sugars. So by taking out healthy fats and proteins, it's kind of pointless.
You're essentially having 100% carbs and sugar.
Kind of, yeah. What I would recommend if you're looking to reset insulin is just lower your carbohydrate intake and increase the healthy fats and the protein intake.
Because I've actually done this. I don't know if I told you about the one time I did the green cleanse or whatever it's called. I've done every diet known to man, just so you guys know. Because when I was first learning about nutrition, I was just super gullible, and I would like read something and then have to try it. And it was great because it gave me a lot of experience, which I think is the best thing you can do. That's the best way you can learn, is to actually experience. So I did one time, I think it was actually 15 days. I did all fruits and veggies. You feel great initially, your energy goes up, but then after a while your energy goes down because you're missing that balance.
I think you don't feel great for like the first 3 days as your body is reacclimating, but then after that 3 days you start to feel great, but then you probably do hit a wall.
Yeah, you definitely
I've never done it before, but that's what I've heard people say. If I was to put somebody on an insulin reset program, it would be proteins and fats and vegetables and keeping your fruit a little bit lower. But if you do just go on a fruit and veggies diet, it still really will help you in that 1 week. But like we said, it's just a short-term thing.
Yeah, but it definitely makes you feel cleaner inside, so you can try it.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.